too late. I can't forget you.
What is up, YouTube? Next shop here, and I'm going to have to replace my light because now I didn't do this previously, the owner did, but I think it's time to fix it. I got my sign gun here. I'm sitting in my alley doing this. I don't know, kind of is, but my light keeps popping off because look how rusty it is. Just focus, come on. It just won't focus now. What the heck? There it goes. Ah! There you go. Now you can see how rusty it looks. The clips are busted. So now, the easiest to do this is clipping all three of them at once because these two wires look the same. One's brown, one's black. All I have to do is one wire at a time. The yellow one's easy. So all I have to do is snip this one, which is this one right here. I'm going to try to get rid of this cap because I don't care about these little wire caps type deal. So let's get into it. I still have my tripod out here, but I'm going to try to do it step by step. Hopefully everybody can see that. Kind of hoping, looks like you can. Got my little flex here. Hopefully you can see this. I don't really have a screwdriver or anything, so I'm going to take a little bit flex here and just kind of put it right on it. That way the solder can bond right to this. Flex heats up and everything, and what this is going to do is going to allow the solder to travel into the wire better. Just in case y'all can't see that now, hopefully you guys can. Come around here. Looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do, I mean, I don't like making my wires smaller. Okay, so yellow wire will go to this green wire, like so. Now, go about the 14 gauge here. Find one? Yeah. Does it fit? Yeah, it fits. Hopefully my camera's picking this up because I don't know.
Huh?
I said hopefully my camera's picking this up.
Oh, you're doing a video?
Yep. Want to do me a favor? Okay, do you hold the light like it is? Thank you. Try not to burn it in your hand.
There you go.
That's pretty good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. And I don't have my lighter on me, so that's okay.
Where's your ground?
Right here. Now I just gotta. I didn't take this. I want to make it look a heck of a lot better. Because the way it looked like a piece of crap. With the wire nuts and stuff.
I thought we already did this stuff already.
No, we never did this side. At least I never did this side. The driver's side I did. Oh crap. Hang on, Michael, hang on. I gotta get the...
Oh yeah. Oops.
You're fine. You do it. Okay. Perfect. Seriously, I bumped it and it messes it all up. If I could get the wires to split a little bit, what I have to do is just like trying to get these other wires to wrap around. There we go. Hopefully you see that. That's all it is to it. You're done. Thanks for watching.